Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to lesson 2 HTML attributes. In our today's video, I'm going to discuss about HTML attributes. So in HTML attributes, attributes tells additional information about HTML elements. The last and previous video I told you about elements. उसमें हमने elements के ऊपर काम किया, headings, paragraphs. So attributes means जो हमें additional information दे about HTML elements. It means heading, paragraphs, and whatever the documents are in HTML. So today I'm going to tell you two things in HTML attributes: how to set image and how to give link in HTML. So let's start first image. Doc type HTML, then body. Want to give title, then title. Here you can write I'm going to write attributes of HTML. Then I'm going to close the titles. Okay, and now I'm going to give here heading 1, images. Now I'm going to close it, heading 1. All right, and or I can write here HTML images, HTML. So now what's next? अब हम image को set करेंगे. So इस कोड को आप ज़हन नशीन कर लें. Image src then is equal to, and then you will have to type the name of image. Let's suppose हमारे पास ये दो images हैं और एक का नाम है AB, सेकंड का ABCD. हम जो है इनमें से एक इमेज को यूज करते हैं. लेट्स सपोज ABCD, फिर हम लगाएंगे डॉट, देन JPG, then we will close it, and then what's next? Body, then HTML, then save the file. Now I'm going to save it. Save this file. Save with the name of images.html. Okay, .html is the extension I have told you in the previous video, or .html लाजमी type करना होता है. So I'm going to save this video in D folder. Now let's check it. Images. So I'm going to open it. Now you can see the file has been opened. One thing here I want to tell you, you can see the size of the image. It's a bit bigger. अब हम सीखेंगे इमेज की जो साइज है उसको कम या ज्यादा हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to tell you about how to increase the size or height or width of the image. So welcome back in the program. So now here I'm going to write width is equal to, then I'm going to write here 200 size, and then height. I'm going to set the height, that should be 200 as well, or can set that 100. Okay, this should be the height, and then I should close it. Now let's check. Save. So now, as you have seen that the size of the image has been decreased. So in this way, you can increase or decrease the height and width of set image in HTML to set your web pages. So one more thing I'm going to tell you, अगर हम यहाँ लिखेंगे मुझे इमेज की साइज चाहिए 100%, okay, width, and I want height also 100%. Now let's find out what is going to happen. I'm going to save it and refresh the page. Now see. Now the width as well as the height, they both have been 100%. So in this way, you can increase or decrease the size of height of an image. You can set according to your longing. I hope that you have understood. Now, what's next? The next is how to give links. Now let's check that out, how to give links. So first I'm going to give link here. Okay, so let's see the coding. Now here we have to put link. So link I'm going to give from where? From YouTube. Let's put out the link like share, copy any link. I have given link here, and then what's next? I have to close it. All right, then I'm going to write here watch my latest video. Watch my latest video. I'm going to close it. Okay, and now save it and then refresh the page. This page. So here in the end, you can see watch my latest video. Because of height of the picture, we cannot see that where the line has gone, which I have just written watch my videos. I'm going to remove this from here. HTML links. I'm going to write here HTML links. to save it. अब ये लिंक आपको नजर आएगा. Now see, watch my latest video. अब जब मैं इसके ऊपर क्लिक करूंगा, so YouTube will be opened and then the video will play itself, So let's watch it. I think I have a bit slower net, so the video has opened. Now see, this is the video. So like this you can give more links, like you can give any link of the website. आप किसी website की link भी दे सकते हैं और आप किसी YouTube channel का link दे सकते हैं. So when the person will click on the link, then what will happen? The video will be open, or we can say that the website will open. Okay, so now I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it as well. So I have saved this file again. मैं क्या करता हूँ, इमेजेस को क्लिक करता हूँ. अब ये हमारी वीडियो जो है वो यहाँ से ऑन हो जाएगी. I hope that you have understood elements as well as you have understood the attributes in lesson 2. And now I'll see you in the lesson 3, and then let's talk about some new topics I will bring for you, and I hope that you have understood this topic. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you. Thank you.